This is the repair test for Miss Karen Arnone, claim number 0800920-027. The date is September 3rd, 2025. We're on a 912 slope. It is 80 degrees outside. This is the affected shingle here from our tarp here. This shingle has nail holes here, here, and here that need to be replaced due to the wind damage that took place there. We're going to start by unbonding the shingles so he's able to take out the affected shingle. That is the damaged shingle. The one above it is the undamaged shingle here. Shingle above that is also undamaged.
This one went through already. This nail's gone through. This one right here went through. 1, 2, 3, there's 6. Let's see if I can try and get, there's 7. This one went through. Right here.
He's going up from under the shingle to get the nail out. In doing so, he's having to lift the shingle multiple times above him that is not damaged. Now he's having to take these nails out that also have that damaged shingle fastened. He's having to lift the shingle above that that is also not damaged. Again, this lifting and continuous lifting of the shingle can mimic wind damage. Therefore, it is creasing the shingle. You can already see granules falling off as he is continuing throughout this process. As you can see, this is how high up he's going to have to lift it in order to get the shingle. You got one right there, bud. Now the shingle's unfastened. He's able to take it out. Now he's going to mimic a repair and refasten the shingle back to its original place as if we were putting in a new shingle. As you can see, granules are just flowing off of the undamaged shingle above. He's having to lift the shingle up every time in order to put a nail back in. Now that the repair is complete, we're going to run a brush over the quote-unquote undamaged shingles from the repair. Again, this is the damaged shingle. These two were not damaged. As you can see, all those granules falling off, starting to create that line all the way across. Up here as well. You see, starting to create that line all the way across. This is just going to continue to happen.